Let's look now at how to edit a MARC record. To do this, we need to have the title of a book. So here I have one. Let's pull it up. Now let's look at the details of this book. Here we have the title details. We can look at the MARC record. Here's the MARC record. And since we want to edit the MARC record, let's click on Edit Title. Now we're brought up into what they call the MARC editor mode. We can adjust the MARC record by deleting tags, by adding tags, and in some cases filling in where things have been left blank. This MARC record has pre-filled with the most commonly used tags here on the left. So that's why you do see some tags that are blank, because they don't always apply in every situation. Let's try to add a tag once. Click on Add Tag. Now here we have the list of all the various tags. You can scroll down, you can see some that are non-repeatable tags, but that non-repeatable tag has not been included because it's not one of the commonly used ones. If we scroll down to 130, which is the main entries, you can see that that is not an option for you to choose to add a tag in. We could add a tag in the 650 category. So let's click on that. So what we do when we add that tag, it gives us the fields in which we can fill in that information. So we would type in what that heading was that we wanted to add, and then in order to store that record, we would have to save the title. Besides being able to add things, you can also delete things. So this tag which I started to add, I'm going to delete those segments because there's no use to have them in here. Okay. Also, you can look and you can see the question mark here, which is Destiny Help. It will tell you specific information about that tag if you want to remind yourself what that tag is about. So let's click on the 490s, which is the series tag. This indicates that you use this tag if the book is part of a series, and you can add it. You can add information in these subfields in this tag. A series statement meaning what book number in the series it is. It might be the second book in a trilogy or so on. So that's where you can remind yourself what the tags are. It's nice to have. Okay, and when you're finished editing the record, like before I mentioned, you will need to click on Save Title in order to save your changes. So that is how we edit a MARC record.